We're in the maze. What is this thing called? The hedge? The hedge maze at Ellms Farms.
We think we're the first one in it?
Yeah, we're the first one because the girls are clearing out spider webs out of this. And so is Mommy. Awesome. Thank you. So there's the advantage of going last.
Yeah, go ahead.
You want to go first? Go ahead.
No, you go ahead.
Who's going?
You go.
No, there's a spider web right there.
I read a Boxcar Children book, and they had like a Ruby contest, so they had to like get the dirt in the pan and then wash the dirt away to reveal the gemstones.
Oh, nice. What kind of gemstones did they get?
They got like amethyst, ruby, emerald.
All sorts of stuff?
Yeah.
Cool. We are making our way through, what is this thing called? The corn maze. The corn maze, and the girls are leading the way with a big flag. You can kind of see right there. And this place is crazy. So we're gonna make our way through here. Try not to get lost. I think they have the flag so that if you do get lost, they know where you are. So this is pretty cool. Ellms Family Farm corn maze in Ballston Spa, New York. Oh, Nicole wants to go right. We have to go as a family. Okay, here we go. It's not easy to hold a flag.
Navigate the toddler and film.
All right, let's make a left here.
And there's stuff in the way to walk. We're making a left. Okay, you guys go that
Wait.
way. I'm going this way.
Oh, Mommy's cheating again. Girls, tell me what you think about that.
Tiring.
Is that crazy?
Yes.
Did we finish?
Yeah.
If you
A little
want,
bit frustrating.
yeah, with the 3-year-old.
No, and
Yeah.
the 3-year-old's tired.
And take it.
And she wants food.
Okay, I'm here with Chip Ellms. He owns the Ellms Family Farm, and he's going to tell you a little bit about where this came from and how long it's been here.
Well, we started in 1984 planting Christmas trees, and that turned out to be pretty well. We found we could take care of customers. They like coming back every year. We needed more land, so we bought the dairy farm next to us in the year 2000, and we established a corn maze, pumpkin patch, and all kinds of activities. You'll hear kids out there having fun right now, but we have everything from many inflatables to a train, zip lines, cow train ride, gemstone mining, just a lot to do. A lot of our the people who come here will spend 6 to 8 hours just having fun.
Yeah, it's been great. Our family had a blast, and I just want to say thanks for having us here.
Okay, well, thanks for coming, Bob.
All right, have a good
Okay.
one. Yeah? Yeah, of course. Girls are on a rope course here at Ellms Farm. They're doing great, looks like. And it's a beautiful day. It's just the beginning of fall, so it's starting to turn nice here in upstate New York. It's a gorgeous, awesome family fun experience at Ellms Farm in Saratoga Springs area.
It was a little hard. If you wanted to go like super fast, you would have to, you might fall down, but slow and steady wins the race is what I,
Yeah?
My least favorite was the log.
The log at the in the middle?
Yeah.
Why was that your least favorite?
Because it was moving and I was trying to go forward, but it was moving.
Give me 5. Awesome. cow ride go?
Oh, it's a cow ride. I texted you,
I saw that, most uncomfortable ever.
and then I texted you a picture of our feet.
Yeah.
I took a picture. Because that's how much room I had.
Oh my.
Yeah. It wouldn't be bad if it was just on. It would
So she's
actually
going
be-
by herself. She's
Yeah.
going by herself. Awesome.
Yeah.
Is that the best thing ever?
Yeah.
What was the name of your cow?
Nicole.
Nicole?
Yeah.
Just like you?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Well, I think that's it for the farm family fun at the Ellms farm. We had a blast. It's getting kind of hot out and kids are tired, so I think we're gonna call it a day. But we had a really good time. Highly recommend coming here. Chip Ellms does a great job. This is a real fun place. Wait, what?
Could you take my ice cream away?
I took your ice cream away?
Yeah.
Oh no, are you okay?
Yeah.
Recap from last night. We had a fire in the hotel, which was exciting. Finding it hard to wake up a little bit this morning, but it was quite an adventure. We were outside for quite a while. They had to come in and clear out the place. Smelled like burning incense downstairs. I don't know what happened, but got back inside and now I'm heading off to ship golf clubs for Brandon, who left his clubs. I'm just here in the hotel room getting ready, and yeah, heading out. Gonna go see some stuff through Chicago. Heading out to grab Brandon's golf clubs. He left them here in Chicago, and I gotta go to the airport, pick them up, and then ship them to him. He is catching a flight to Ireland for 2 weeks. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna head into Chicago and go see the sights. I am trying to find my way through O'Hare Airport, which is turning out to be quite a challenge. I feel like I'm lost in Yonkers. Yeah, see if I can figure this thing out. Meanders all over the place, everywhere. I can get anywhere except to where I want to go. And yeah, hopefully I can figure this thing out. I think I'm close. I'm heading into the airport, and I think I'm on the right direction. That was not where I wanted to go, so now I'm gonna try something else. This is, oh, I see some stairs, an elevator. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll figure it out. So I've got the clubs, and I'm heading to, apparently the Hilton at the airport has a UPS. I'm gonna try that, see if we can get these clubs sent to Tennessee. So let's see if this works. I think I'm almost there. Oh, found it. Yes. UPS. This is what I've been looking for. And I think we're gonna get this thing done. Awesome. So I realized that I may not have explained what happened there very well.
So Brandon got to his flight late and could not take his clubs with him, so he left them there. I picked him up, took him over to UPS, and got them sent out to be delivered to him in a few days. But just trying to figure out where I'm going and what I'm doing was exciting. So now I'm off to do some fun stuff. I've made it to downtown Chicago and I'm looking for parking. Pretty cool city. I've been here a few times, actually quite a few with work, but now I'm looking at it through different eyes. I'm looking at it as a tourist, which is pretty cool. Some neat things to see. I kind of don't know where to start, so I'm just gonna kind of like walk around and see a bunch of cool stuff. Gary building right next to here that I gotta go check out, and big fan of Frank Gehry. You'll see it in a sec. Frank Gehry building behind us. Frank Gehry combines architecture and sculpture with metal panels. It's pretty cool. If you've never seen his stuff, check it out. One of my favorite architects. Been following him for years. Very, very cool stuff. So kind of surprised that I didn't know about this one, but there it is. I just stumbled onto it, and sometimes those are the best things. So very cool. Totally enjoying my experience here.